Hi everyone, welcome back to Vet Home Collective. I'm Donnie Fields, your go-to realtor for all things VA. Today, we're debunking some common myths about VA home loans. And don't worry guys, I'll try to keep this as entertaining as possible. No boring finance talk here. I'll save that for another video. Let's dive right in. Myth number one, VA home loans are only for first-time home buyers. To be honest, even your boy here thought this was the case. Heck, I didn't know the truth till about 2021 when I got into real estate and started learning more about the VA home loan and its process. And the fact is, guys, because I didn't have the right information at the time, I thought I had to sell my home in Miami when I was transferred as the chief of prosthetics to the Hines VA here in Chicagoland area. And this is probably one of my biggest real estate regrets because I sold my home in 2018 for $380,000. And today, that home is approximately worth $700,000. And this is why I make videos like this today, so people don't make the same mistakes I did because not having the right information. So in reality, you can use your VA home loan multiple times, whether it's your first home or your fifth. Think of it like a favorite pair of comfy socks that you use on a road march. Just because you wore them once doesn't mean you can't wear them again and again. As long as you meet the eligibility requirements, you can benefit from using the VA home loan. Myth number two, VA home loans take too long to process. The truth is, guys, VA home loans can close in about the same time frame as a conventional loan, which is often within 30 to 50 days. So working with a knowledgeable lender who understands VA loans can make this process smooth and effective. One good example I have of this is Faith and Bobby, a military couple that were applying for a VA home loan, and they were very worried about the process that it would take forever because they found a townhome that needed a VA spot approval, which just added time to the normal scheme of things, and the sellers had already had a contract under their new place and they needed a quick close. And all it took was a little convincing on my part with the listing agent to let them know that the lender I was working with was very knowledgeable and could get this deal closed within 30 days. And the fact is, guys, they were able to close in 29 days, about the same time it took their friend to close on a conventional loan. So it is very imperative to work with a lender who knows the VA home loan process, as the process should not be like waiting for your favorite TV show to come back after a big long cliffhanger. It's more like waiting for a pizza delivery. Quick and satisfying. Myth number three, VA loans have high interest rates. Actually, VA loans often offer lower interest rates compared to conventional loans out there and other loan products, making them a cost-effective option for eligible veterans and service members. For example, one of my clients, Rob and Laura, were comparing loan options and found that the VA home loan offered them about 0.5 lower than the conventional loan they were considering. This saved them literally thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Think of this as getting a VIP discount at your favorite store. The fact is, guys, who doesn't love a good deal? Myth number four, VA loans require perfect credit. Now, while having a good credit score can help, the VA home loan program is designed to help veterans with various credit histories. I mean, the fact is they want to give you guys the loan for your service, guys. Lenders usually look at a minimum credit score of around 620, but it's possible to qualify with lower scores depending on the lender and other factors. For example, one of my guys, Tony, had a few bumps on his credit report, but still managed to get a VA loan with a score of 580 thanks to his strong financial history otherwise. So you don't need to be a credit score superhero. You just need to be a regular person with a decent credit score. Myth number five, VA loans are complicated and hard to get. The VA loan process can seem complicated, but with the right information and support, it can be straightforward. Working with a realtor and a lender who specialize in VA loans can make the process easier and less stressful. For example, guys, Maria, one of my clients, she was overwhelmed at first, thought there'd be a lot of things going on, but with a knowledgeable realtor and a knowledgeable lender by her side, she pretty much found the VA loan process to be much simpler and straightforward. We walked her through each step and was able to close without any issues. It's like pretty much assembling furniture with the instructions versus without the instructions. It's way easier if you have a clear guide and work with realtors and lenders that understand the process. All right, so there you have it. 5 common myths about the VA loan debunked. If you have any questions or need assistance with a VA loan, feel free to reach out to me at 331-229-0950. Oh, and definitely don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home buying tips and advice. All right, guys, Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on Vet Home Collective. And remember, the only myth that we can't debunk is how much you're going to love your new home and working with Vet Home Collective, where we cover you while you move.